There's a robin. There was a red-winged blackbird. I don't know where he went. You scared him away, Manny. Look, even the robin's at the... The robin is at the feeder. And there's song sparrow, I think, right there. It's not a house sparrow. Oh, where's the robin? Where did he go? There he is. He's been coming by the past couple weeks. I was going to get some... I was going to get some mealyworms for him. Oh, look, there's the doves just hanging out. And they might be up on the... And there's one up there. They're just hanging out. Oh, look at him. Look what he's doing. It's okay. Look. And there's the juncos. The feeders are full. Both feeders are full. That one, not so much. I took a pie pan, and because I didn't want it to blow away, I put a terracotta pot upside down on it, and then filled it in with bird seed. Yes, Manny. Oh, stop, Manny. Stop, Manny. What's the matter, man, huh? Are there birdies out there? Are there birdies out there? Oh. I just heard the mourning dove sing his little call for his woman. Hear it? I hear it. Where is it? Which one is doing the calling? One of them was just cooing. So there was a red-winged blackbird out here for a little while. I don't know where he went. That's it for this morning. Manny? Manny's keeping track. Aren't you, Manny? Look at his tail going. Uh-oh. Jesus. There we go. How'd that happen? Get a new one. Oh, I was just fixing something. Manny's just... Oh, here comes more birdies. Some more. Are you watching? Yeah, now there's house sparrows. Those are house sparrows. And I filled it all up yesterday so that it would be out there for today. Oh, which one? Oh, it's this one over here that's... It's this one over here that's cooing. Oh, I can't get a picture of him. It's too far over. Uh-oh. Something scared him away. All right.